Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can apply cartoon face effect to our video in CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to apply cartoon face effect to this man. So first of all, we need to open the effect option right here. Click on this effect option and you need to select body effect. Okay, and after the body effect has been opened, you have to open the rule category. You can scroll all the way to the right to find the rule category, and this is the rule category, and we just need to select the cartoon face effect. Okay, and click on this check mark, and we can make this effect align with our video. We can drag the effect like this, and this is how it looks. And I guess that's how we can apply cartoon face effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.